Hello everyone, hello, how are you today? So remember this mesh skirt that I had made? I'm going to attach a picture here. So I've just added a little bit of sunshine to it. So I'm making flowers. I'm attaching flowers to this mesh skirt. So today I'm just going to show you how I attached these flowers, just in case anybody would want to learn how to do that. Okay, so that is what I'm doing today. And here are the flowers. I've already made them. If you want to check out how to make these flowers, I have a video right in my channel. I'm also going to attach it so that you can see, okay, how to make these beautiful flowers. So in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to attach them to the mesh, to any mesh that you have. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So guys, so after figuring out the point where you're going to make your flower, for example, I'm going to place one of mine here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this, I'm going to put this way so that you don't have a problem with the other part of the skirt. Okay, you can easily attach this part with the other part. That is why you have to leave a space this way. Okay, so here is the flower. So I have not cut off my yarn yet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a very long tail. You know, you need to leave a tail that will go this way, this way, this way, and all the way back here. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. And then I'm just going to cut it off. So this is what we have. And then you will need your yarn needle. So I'm going to bring in my yarn. Okay, so this is my yarn needle. I am just going to place this in here. Okay, so we're going to start from here. So I'm just going to randomly place it. So these are the part you will always be removing it. You don't want to attach them together. So that is what we have. And then you try to bring it in there. And then remove the other one, this one here. So just make sure it is very loose. You don't want it to be tight, because this is a mesh. You want it to stay this way. With a piece that is not mesh, it is way easier. Okay, so that is what we have. You stretch it to ensure that you are not messing up with the pattern of the mesh. Okay guys, so that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.